So guys, this is the version of my halo-halo. See, more on healthy sides, but this kaong and then sweet coconut shell and mango beans, and this one minus the honey because they're already sweet. So I use this oat milk and the other milk like light cream. So and then I added 1 tub of this, half of this one, and then here you go. Because I don't have any ice cream in the top, so I use this strawberry split and then the watermelon. So I want strawberry splits. Oh, watermelon is nice. Even orange is nice, so let's gonna put the orange mine and then watermelon. I already opened it, so this is watermelon. Ooh, ang sarap. This looks delicious. And this is, what was it, strawberry and the watermelon. So here is the version of my halo-halo, international version of halo-halo. There you go guys, bon appetit. You have to serve it really quick before it will melt in. So I think I'm gonna get ice more, so you see, be nice. Okay, you wanna order my special halo-halo guys, message me. Thank you. Just kidding. Let's try this one. Oh wow, halo-halo to die for. Let's eat. This is the thing craving for ages now. Nice. It's beautiful halo-halo. Guys, just create your own halo-halo if you're abroad, you know, and you can have some of the ingredients like back home. Create your own. Make your utak, make your brain wide and do the creativity. So in this version though, I don't recommend. If you don't want super sweet, don't put honey or sugar anymore, because this one, this and this, they got already light sugar now. But if you want to put more sugar for yourself, go ahead. But for me, I advise, if you are a bit of health conscious and just don't put so much sugar. Trust me, they're already sweet, and the fruit is naturally sweet. So enjoy. I better deliver this now before it will. Sarap. Trust me, so good. Not so sweet, it's just enough.